Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, November 13th, 2020. We have Fun Fact Friday. Today's fun fact is that did you know that a jiffy is an actual unit of time? It is 1/100th of a second. So when you say, "Oh, I'll be back in a jiffy," that is really an amount of time. And it is a pretty quick amount of time at that. So that is our Fun Fact Friday. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for lunch, we have deli sandwich or shrimp poppers with french fries, broccoli, fruit juice, milk. And for breakfast, we may be having chicken patty with biscuit, fruit juice, and milk. On Monday, our breakfast is a Pop-Tart, and our lunch is chicken quesadilla or beef burrito, Spanish rice, veggies, and fruit juice and milk. Today's birthday is Akira French. Happy birthday! Today's after morning announcements, please place any library books that are ready to be turned in a basket outside the door. They will be picked up. I'm going to try to get around to pick up the library books today and hopefully distribute some out today as well. So be on the lookout for those. We can't wait to welcome Miss Smith back on Monday. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.